Hey there, it's E-Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you maybe new to senior photography, or you've been doing it a while and you just can't figure out why you're not booking maybe as much as somebody else in your area, or just not booking at all? Well, we're here to ease that process for you and give you several ideas on how to get going on your senior photography business.
And make sure to stay all the way till the end because we have something just for you.
We promise to help you grow your business to the next level.
For the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications for future videos.
All right, so we're gonna jump right in. How can you book more seniors? Well, we will tell you that marketing is key, and relationships, building relationships. And we're going to give you and take you through several ideas on how we do this in our business and how you can take it to your own.
Okay, so one tip that we can give you is to try to stand out from the crowd. So don't do everything the same as your competitors. Try to pick 1 to 2 things that are a little bit creative and outside the box that you do that maybe they don't do. So a few things that we do is we provide a style guide for our seniors that gives them some just some tips and tricks on what to wear, how to pick their locations, what props they should use, hair and makeup, all sorts of stuff. Just to make them feel comfortable for their session. So right here is an example of our style guide. So it's just a little magazine thing that they get in the mail, and then it gives them all of these sorts of tips and tricks that they can use to prepare for their session. Another thing that we do is we provide gifts along the way. So we give them a couple small gifts. We don't spend a lot of money on these, but a couple small gifts that they can then have to make them feel a little bit more special. A couple other just small things that we do is during a session, which a lot of our followers say, I love that part of your session, we get on to Insta stories and we do a little interview at the end of our session of our seniors so people can get to know who they are. Because a lot of them don't know who that is because maybe it's a different school than where they're attending. And then one other just tiny thing we do, we probably do other things as well, but one other tiny thing we do is we let our seniors sign our changing tent. So that's just something fun that we like to just do something that's different than other photographers.
So what we mean by that is they take a Sharpie and they sign their name with the year that they're graduating. So over time, we have a ton of signatures all over our changing tent, and people like to look at that, especially the parents or the friends that are along with the senior, and see if they know anybody on the changing tent. All right, the next thing that we like to do and we recommend doing if it's an option for you is every now and then throw a giveaway out there. We've done giveaways to local businesses, to American Eagle or Lululemon, things that seniors really like in the moment. And so it also helps you gain followers and get in front of those people. And so they can see your face, whether it's if you're posting something on an Insta story throughout the day or on Facebook, if it's just a fun picture of you and something that you like to do. So your face is visible out there for them. So the more followers you get from those giveaways, the more you're going to be known in the community.
And another giveaway we've done is we've given away a BFF session, we call them. So like a group of 4 girls or whatever it is can enter and have a free photo session. And that, again, gets us more followers and in front of more people that we want to photograph. Probably one of the most important things that we feel has really helped our business grow is we use social media. We post something every single day. Do we have a session every day? Absolutely not. But we make sure to post our work, get our work out there in front of as many people as we can because our clients have it, their parents have it. So many people have social media, so we get our work out there as much as possible. One other thing in relation to that is to make sure you show your face so they can see who you are, whether it's in an Insta story video or just a post talking a little bit about yourself. Show your face because then when you're at the boys basketball game Friday night, they see your face and they're like, oh, that's E-Squared Photography. They come to my games. That's really cool. So that's something that's a really big deal. Social media is huge.
And along with that, we also like to every now and then, it might be a photo of a basketball senior session that we did 3 years ago, but we might caption it and say, hey, good luck to the boys basketball team this weekend at their game versus whoever. And just every now and then when we know important events are going on, whether it be a music event or a sporting event or some sort of like the ACTs. A lot of times we like to do a little shout out to the ACT work that students are doing at school, because it's juniors taking the ACT, which are going to be our seniors that we take photos of. So every now and then, just show that you are appreciating them and knowing what's happening in their life by giving them a little shout out. All right, we have noticed that seniors really like to see themselves. It's part of social media and it's part of their life now. And so what we like to do is we really like to make our seniors feel like superstars when it comes to doing their session with us. So we always like to do a behind the scenes of them during our session, getting a few fun things that are going on.
And we'd put those on our Insta stories. So we take little video clips just live throughout our session. One of us does, or if we have an assistant, they'll do it. They'll take the videos and we just post those right away so we can see some behind the scenes stuff.
We end our session, like we said before, with some fast fire interview questions, which the kids really love. They say they hate, but they love. Secretly, they do. And we also do blogging. We give them a little blog post after the fact. We throw out a sneak peek. And then throughout their senior year, we're constantly posting photos of them. And every now and then we do some unique things where we give away senior awards and, just different things to make them feel like absolute superstars.
So tell us one of the things that we've said now that you are going to try to take and apply to your business to start booking more seniors. Comment down below. So another way that we get in front of a ton of high school students is we offer cheap sessions to them. And what we mean by this is we like to do prom sessions or formal sessions, whatever, for super cheap. And we don't do the ones at the school necessarily. We pick a location outside, something kind of unique and fun, and we book as many sessions as we can with high school students so we can get in front of their faces, and we absolutely love it because we get to see people's fancy dresses and stuff. Another thing we do also is we do cheaper BFF sessions, so best friend sessions. So we can, again, get in front of more and more people, and they post those pictures to their social media and they tag you, and then you get all of that free marketing.
And another thing that we do in addition to both of those is every now and then we will do sports photos, so team sports photos for the school. So the high school level volleyball photos or tennis photos or swim team, whatever it might be. And we do unique sessions where it's just a little bit different than your traditional, like, stand in a straight line and here's your coach and here's your ball and that's it. So we change it up a little bit just to get in front of them and show them how fun we can be. All right, one other thing that we really like to do with our seniors at the end of their senior year, right before the graduation ceremony, is we hold a couple-hour cap and gown session where they can come in either their college gear or their cap and gown or just their fancy dresses, and they can bring family or close friends, and we just do a come on in and we'll take some photos, whatever you want, and then we share them out in a gallery to our seniors, and then we post some of them to our social media, because remember, post to your social media, market your photos, and then family members share those because they're proud of their graduates, and the more shares, the more followers, the more people that you get in from, which means more clients to book.
Right. And we do these cap and gown sessions for free. You wouldn't have to do them for free. You could do a little charge if you want, but we feel like it's a little gift that we are giving our seniors at the end of their year. Okay, now that you know some ways to help you book more senior sessions, we have created something just for you.
Okay, so in the description below, you will find a link. We have created a huge list of different types of captions you can use on your social media posts, so you don't have to sit there wondering, well, how do I caption this? Because it doesn't really matter. It just has to be something that's super engaging and gets people to respond to your post.
Make sure to follow along with us on our Instagram at esquaredphotographyschool or at esquared.photography for more inspiration on how to book more sessions. So what is one thing that you're going to try to help you book more sessions? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to download our freebie below in the description. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
All right, you guys, and we also have some videos on senior posing, how to edit senior photos, and camera settings we use. So make sure to check those out and stay tuned for future videos, and we will see you next time.